The upcoming OnePlus 12 series, including the OnePlus 12 and OnePlus 12R, is set for a global launch on January 23. The OnePlus 12R, which has already been launched in China under the name OnePlus Ace 3, is generating considerable excitement with its anticipated features and design. Leaked renders have revealed the OnePlus 12R in black and blue, showcasing a sleek design with a hole-punch display and minimal bezels, similar to the OnePlus Ace 3. It is expected to feature a 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. The device is also rumored to have a 5,500 mAh battery with 100W charging, a 50-megapixel main camera using Sony's IMX890 sensor, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 2-megapixel macro shooter. The OnePlus 12R is anticipated to be priced at $499 for the 8GB RAM and 128GB storage model, with a higher-spec 16GB, 256GB variant expected at $599. On the other hand, the OnePlus 12 is expected to come with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, offering up to 16GB RAM and 512GB storage. The device is rumored to feature a 6.82-inch QHD plus 2K OLED LTPO display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a high peak brightness of 4,500 nits. The OnePlus 12's camera system includes a 50-megapixels main camera with Sony LYT808 and OIS, a 6.4MP periscope camera with 3x optical zoom, and a 48-megapixels ultra-wide camera. The front-facing camera is expected to be 32 megapixels. The OnePlus 12 will support up to 50W wireless charging and 100W wired charging, and the device's battery capacity is anticipated to be 5,400 mAh. The starting price for the OnePlus 12 is speculated to be higher than its predecessor, with the 12GB, 256GB model potentially priced at around $799 United States dollars. These anticipated specifications and features suggest that the OnePlus 12 series is aiming to deliver high-end performance and capabilities, catering to both performance enthusiasts and photography lovers.